Little lower, Corey. Okay, come on up. Good. I'll take that. All right, lock everything out. Put your feet a little bit closer together in neutral position. Yeah, cool. All right, cool. Lock the knees, lock the butt, lock the quads, and press. Awesome. Elbows up. All right, good setup, Corey. Go ahead when you're ready. All the way up and all the way down. Very nice. Nice work, Corey. Count yourself. Rock it out. All the way down. Good fight. Come on, all the way up. One more. Killing it.